Deepak of Great 10 Sri Shakthi International School. In this video, I will explain of the state Gujarat. Its capital is Gandhinagar. Location: Gujarat is located on the western coast of Indian Peninsula. The latitude of Gujarat is 22.309425 and the longitude is 72.136230. Sharing boundary: Gujarat shares its border with Pakistan. Gujarat is bordered by Rajasthan to the northeast, Madhya Pradesh to the east, and Maharashtra to the southeast. Chief Minister Bhupendra Rajnikant Patel is an Indian politician and current Chief Minister of Gujarat since September 2021. He is a member of Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) opposition party. Pranish Dahani, Indian National Congress (INC). State bird Greater Flamingo. State animal Asiatic lion. Tourist spot State of Unity, Ran Astak, Gir Forest, Satpura Hill Station, Dholvira, Dwaraka, Somnath Temple, Gujarat dance. Garba is a form of dance which originates from the state of Gujarat in India. Music. Gujarat, a western state of India, is known for music tradition of both folk and classical music. Language. Gujarati is a part of the Greater Indo-European language family. Gujarati is descended from Old Gujarati. In India, it is the official language in the state of Gujarat. Gujarat culture. Embracing different religious faiths, Gujaratis demonstrate a vibrant mix of Hinduism, Islam, Jainism, and Buddhism. Festivals. International Kite Festival, Navaratri, Samlaji Fair, Mohera Dance Festival, etc. Government medical colleges. There are 15 government medical colleges. BJMC Ahmedabad, BJ Medical College. SMT NHL Municipal Medical College, Ahmedabad. Government Medical College, Surat. GCS Medical College Hospital and Research Center, Ahmedabad, etc. IITS. There are one IITS in Gujarat, Indian Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar. IIMS. There also it is only one in Gujarat. IIM Ahmedabad, Indian Institute of Management. Conclusion. I hope you get the idea of Gujarat. Thank you.